Just follow these simple makeup steps to get the perfect corporate look. It is a very important and mandatory step to moisturize your face first before applying any product on your face. Primer helps in hiding the pores, also gives a smooth finish to the foundation. For everyday corporate makeup, you can either use foundation or a BBCC cream. Here I'm using mousse foundation, which is very light on the skin and stays for long. To set your foundation in place, just brush some loose powder or compact powder on your face. You don't have to use too much of eyeshadow. To keep a simple and natural look, just apply and blend nicely some of the blush on the upper lid of the eye by gently using a flat brush. For eyeliner and kajal, I'm going to use the same kajal and gently glide it on the upper waterline and lower waterline of the eyes. To complete the look of my eye, I'm going to simply give a nice stroke of the mascara on the eyes. And to complete my look, use a natural blush on the cheeks and you're good to go.